我们是所存在的什么？是存在的这个我们的心灵，我们的灵魂啊。然后再跟你说外星人会不会有外星人？他绝对有外星人。外星人会什么体现出来？外星人就是从时间可以往回来，就是时间上那个维度的人可以到我们人间来，但是我们人间到时间你必须经过过程。时间的人看我们透透的，我们看人家看不了，跟他对不上话。这就像我们看畜生界一样啊，到了非洲大草原看到狮子就在旁边坐着啊，他也不咬你，坐在车上跟他聊天，他听不懂你在说啥，但是你看他看得透透的，他想吃啥，他想干啥，对吧？就像鸟一样，你看那鸟在树上，是不是？跟那鸟，你看那鸟在那飞，但是鸟真不知道你是啥玩意儿。就像你到了海里边游泳的时候，鱼趴下去了，哇塞，鱼发现来个这家伙，哎，郭文贵，你谁呀、啊？是吧？你在这说话，哎，鱼啊，我是郭文贵啊，我是爆料革命的啊，共产党。这鱼想你说啥呢？是吧？鲸鱼也不懂，啥鱼也不懂啊。那下边的王八更不懂了，是吧？都待了1000年了，我怎么来这货呀？是不是？啊，人类才1万年，你跟那个王八差远了，是吧？啊，所以说。这是有性繁殖，那无性繁殖的就更看不懂咱了。大树、石头，几万年的石头，这什么玩意儿？这是你跟他说什么话？看不懂。这就是我们和外星人之间的关系。
Ladies and gentlemen, we got another mystery at our hands. I got a bunch of clips that I want to share with you guys. They ain't no jokers, guys. We got videos of UFOs crashing down. There's a guy that ended up shooting the UFO, the drone, whatever you want to call it. He actually takes shots, so I want to show you that video too, plus of the crash that just went down. Airports are being shut down. The flights are getting delayed because these things are being spotted on airports. This is all happening before we get GTA 6. Now, I want to show you the clips. I have a second channel. This is where we usually cover the conspiracies, the UFO content. Scary X.
No way!
Yo!
Wait, you got good footage? Good footage?
Yeah, this right here, huh? What is going on in the US, man? It's wild.
Now, so, I mean, here is...
No way!
Wait for it, wait for it,
So,
wait for it.
I mean, to be honest with you, does look like a drone. But when people were saying a small SUV, a small car...
Oh, it's big, it's big.
This seems bigger than a car. And I've got to be honest with you.
You got good footage? Good footage?
On yesterday's video, I mentioned...
I want to share this video as well.
So hang on. Reports of a drone hitting power lines sparked chaos in Hillsborough. But after FBI search, no crash was found.
I don't know if this is more pathetic or the fact that FBI finds nothing is more pathetic.
Police assure no known threat to the public.
Frustration
Yeah, right.
of what is even happening in the skies above us, so this might be a big answer.